and more for a tree down that's in traffic. No wires down, no arcing or sparking.
Engine 441, 9th Street and Greenwood, 9th and Greenwood. This is going to be for a power line down across the road, just west of Greenwood. No sparks or flames at this time. Right now we're going to use all wires down on emergency traffic procedures. Keep free out of those streets. Causes slow development Irwin. This is going to be for a tree that fell, blocking the whole road right in front of us and the address. Took down cable lines. No arcing or sparking at this time. We are getting massive calls. We're going to emergency radio traffic. Use pass 7 for WPS and main for any requests.
Dispatch 912. Go ahead. Plane did not need to see an officer.
431. You want us to go to 700 block and have to go to 500?
Latest weather call. We do have a Tier 1 severe thunderstorm warning until 11:15 p.m. tonight. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for 11:15 p.m. tonight for 60-mile-an-hour winds.